Anfield Road Stand Construction Update. Take a look, the latest work of roof installation. As you can look, the roof panel now only one panel left to be installed. The roof panel will cover a lower tier's seats. An underground fan zone is being worked on. When call it underground is a bit strange as it's not going to be underground, but merely undercover, at street level. The new Anfield Road stand will stand at 39 meters high and be home to an extra 7,000 Liverpool fans when it is completed ahead of the 2023-24 season. Upon completion of the new £80 million stand, Anfield's capacity will be 61,015, with the Anfield Road stand holding 15,967 spectators. The progress of brickwork for exterior of the new stand. The facade will be in a similar style to the current facade in the main stand. The whole exterior of the stand will be covered in a classy-looking brick, glass, and red panel arrangement.